Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shamaila Chaudhry. Look what happened to my village overnight. I'm going to create a little mosque with this snow.
Little by little, it's starting to look like a mosque.
The dome and minaret are finally taking shape. It's finished, and I absolutely love how it turned out. For this cozy soup, I'm adding potato, carrot, and peas, with a little salt, pepper, and vegetable stock. Once the vegetables are soft, I add a little cream, stir it together, and our warm winter soup is ready. This is exactly what I needed.